Hi boys and girls! Today you're going to learn what a 10 frame is and how we can show numbers using the 10 frame. Before we begin, you do need a couple of things. Please pause the video as you go get a paper and pencil. You do need your 10 frame paper that was sent home in your home kit, and you will need your blue and green math counters. Pause the video as you go get these, and as soon as you have them, come on back. Okay, now that you have your 10 frames, we're going to learn what they are. A 10 frame is just that. A 10 frame is a frame with 10 squares in it, and we can use this to show different numbers. What you're going to be doing today is you're going to be taking your counters and you're going to be using them to show me how to make different numbers using your 10 frames. So right now, I want you to get your counters out, and I want you to pause the video and show me how to make 5 with your 10 frames. Hi boys and girls, welcome back. You can show me how to make 5 a couple of different ways. One way you could make 5 is you could have done 5 counters in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that this is 5. Another way you could have shown me how to make 5 is you could have done 3 and 2. You could have done it a different way as well. That's okay. Maybe you did 4 counters and 1. So you could have done it 4 and 1 with the different colors. You could have even done it this way, with your 4 and your 1 here, okay? The next number I want you to show me is the number 8. Go ahead and pause the video and start again when you have your set of 8 with your counters on your 10 frame. Hi, welcome back again. There are a lot of ways you could have made 8 with your 10 frames. I'm going to show you a couple of the ways that I made it. If yours are different, that's okay. I just want you to make sure you have 8 counters. The first way that I made my 8 was what made sense to me, and it was the simplest. I did 2 rows of 4 counters. This is one of the ways. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another way you might have made your 8 is by filling in our top row completely, and we know one whole row is 5, and then add 3 more. And if I check, I can go 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another way we can show 8. Yet another way you could have done 8 is by grouping 4 and 4 together. So I did 4 and 4 here a little differently, so I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and I know all together it makes 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last way I made 8 was by doing 6 and 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, there's lots of different ways you can make these numbers. Okay? I want you today to practice making numbers on your own. You have different colored counters, blue and green, to help you out if you want. You can do 2 different colors. You can just do the 1 color. And what I want you to do is tell yourself a number. So if you're doing the number 6, I want you to get 6 counters. So I have my 6 counters here. I'll show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to have my 10 frame. And I'm going to try to see how many ways I can take these 6 counters and put them into the 10 frame into different groups to show 6. So maybe I want to do 2 on this side, and then I'll fill in my counters on the other side. And I can have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and 2 on this side, and that's 6. I can also take my counters and move them all together to make 6. I want you to practice and try this today with 3 different numbers that we haven't practiced. You cannot do more than 10 counters because you would run out of room. When you're done practicing, you'll be done for the day. Tomorrow, I want you to start with lesson 2, and you can click on the next link at the bottom to view that lesson. Thank you.